Namaste, my name is Arwaj Rai, originally from Aqube State, Darjeeling. I completed my higher secondary education from Central Arts High Secondary School and went on to pursue a diploma in hospitality management at Aqube Institute of Management. My journey at Aqube has been truly transformative. The institute played a vital role in developing my overall personality while strengthening my communication, time management and team collaboration on skills. The curriculum was thoughtfully designed, blending classroom learning with hands-on practical exposure, which prepared me to confidently face real industry challenges. As a part of my professional training, I gained meaningful industry experience during my internship at Taj Krishna, Hyderabad. With continuous mentorship and guidance from the faculty, I successfully secured a placement at the Oberoi Bangalore as a F&B associate, marking a strong foundation for my professional career. I extended my sincere gratitude to all the faculty members and the Aqube team for their constant support and encouragement. Proud to be an Aqubian. Thank you.